Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Plus, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers. So all we have to do is to find the history, so let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, so if you want, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to the website. However, simply tapping on clear browsing data will do everything automatically and it is more efficient. So let's tap on it, and here we've got basic options and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So as you can see, so if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked I will remove everything. We can also change the time range to, for example, all time or last 4 weeks, or it's up to you generally. So let's simply tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.